Hey guys, welcome back to another tech update. So a Chinese brand called Hafury just announced the Hafury Meet. Now this device is expected to compete with the likes of the Blackview A200 Pro and the Ulefone Note 17 Pro. So the Hafury Meet would also feature a curved display, a curved AMOLED 120Hz display, and it's going to be equipped with a lot of other specs that are very identical to the specs of the A200 Pro and the Note 17 Pro. So let's quickly explore some of the top specs of this device. So the device is going to be powered by the Helio G99, just like the A200 Pro and the Note 17 Pro. It's going to feature a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED curved 120Hz punch hole display. At the back of the phone is a circular camera module that contains quad cameras and an LED flash. The main rear camera is 100MP and the front facing camera is 32MP. The device is equipped with a 5100 mAh battery and it supports 33 watts fast charging. The device supports NFC, which is very nice, but it's a normal smartphone, so do not expect any durability features on this phone. The phone is also going to ship with the Android 13, not the Android 14. I don't think it's going to be receiving the Android 14 in the future. The device also supports dual SIM, Bluetooth 5.2, OTG, and so on, guys. So these are the top specs and features of the Hafury Meet. I'll be comparing the specs of this device with the A200 Pro and the Ulefone Note 17 Pro to see which of these devices is equipped with the best specs. But after checking out the specs of this phone, I am pretty much confident that the specs of these devices, all of them, the A200 Pro, the Note 17 Pro, and this device, the Hafury Meet, are very identical. The specs of all of them are very identical, guys. And as regarding its price, the Hafury Meet is expected to retail for about $350, but it's not available yet. It's going to be launching in April. So this is the update I have for you guys. What do you think about this device from Hafury? The brand is a Chinese brand. I'm not too familiar with Hafury, but I'll do a little bit more digging into its background to see how well they're recognized worldwide, and of course I'll probably share the update with you guys, but I don't really know much about this brand. But what are your thoughts, guys? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.